400 matches that will be conducted over 5 weekends. 400 matches, guys. We also have our representative from Game Point. They understand what it means to conduct 400 matches. It takes 2 referees, 8 volunteers, a whole engine that is behind all of this to do it. So I think, yeah, this makes it our biggest and most exciting edition till date. We are also honored to have our esteemed sponsors. Our presenting sponsor is Planet Green. So can you guys quickly say hi to our audience? Planet Green over there. We are equally grateful to our co-powered sponsors, our very homegrown brand Price. So we have Rajendra Prasad Garu, Babu Rajendra Prasad Garu representing Price. I am missing someone from Creekside Farm Resort, but they are also our co-powered sponsors. And our title sponsors are Game Point. Prabhas Garu and Kirtana Garu are here. Can you quickly say hi? So, just for all of us here, as a recap, we have nearly 1500 plus families living here. We have privilege to access to top-notch sports facilities, nearly 30-meter size swimming pool, little less than the Olympic size swimming pool, 3 indoor badminton courts, 3 squash courts, indoor as well, 10 hard tennis courts, dedicated basketball court, even a beach volleyball area. So it's no wonder badminton has become the heartbeat of our community. Do you agree? Heartbeat of our travel is badminton. Okay, great. And can you believe, on the court every single day, this community is burning 1 lakh plus calories. 1 lakh plus calories every day, all of us together, yeah? Hip hip! Hooray! Awesome. So now, if I make quick check, if our esteemed PCO members are here, or is Uncle here? So we have Manoj sir. All right. Right. So, can I get a loud cheer for all the players, families, future champions in the house? Loud cheer from all of you. Yay! Okay, before we move into more action, let's take a moment to show massive love, respect and incredible community that's made this possible, which is our Pebble City. Year after year, there's a group of people who have been supporting us, to whom we are incredibly grateful. And they help us create this powerful platform, and athletes of every age shine here. May I know who am I talking about? PCOA! So PCOA, let's cheer for PCOA. So I'd like to welcome our General Secretary Ankurji onto the stage. Ankur, can I please request you on the stage? Okay. Thank you very much, Ankur. Please grace the stage. Great to have you here. Now I would like to request our Vidayak ji. Sorry, man. Okay, he's a man who plays a lot of roles in EC, and he's a big supporter of the entire sports community. Rohit, welcome to onto the stage, please. Thank you very much, Rohit.
Uncle Senior.
So from permissions to arrangements, from courts to the crowd, PCO has been right there supporting all of us with passion and pride. So we are very thankful to you. And let me tell you, some of them just don't support, they are also excellent players. They are competing in cricket, they are competing in volleyball and sometimes in badminton as well. So you are the game as well. Thank you. So we want to say a big, loud, heartfelt thank you to the PCOA. Can you say thank you? Awesome. Thank you very much. So now I would like to invite our presenting sponsors, Planet Dream. So on behalf of Planet Dream, I'd like to invite their executives. While I do that, I have some quick note on behalf of Planet Dream. Planet Dream is driven by a powerful philosophy to reconnect people with land just as it was meant to be. Their mission is to restore the true value of land in our lives, blending nature with modern living. Through innovative work in natural farming and alternative real estate and their unique Vedic farming practices, they are creating green eco-habitats where families can rediscover meaningful connection. So let me please welcome Abhinav Garu onto the stage. He is heading their sales for Planet Dream. Also, thank you very much for being here, sir. I also would like to welcome Karan Singh ji onto the stage. He is heading the sales for Ved Bharati brand. Please grace the stage. Thank you. So can I have a quick round of applause for our presenting sponsors, please? So, as all of you are very important for the whole tournament, they are equally important. They are part of the experience and enabling this for us. So thank you very much for both of you coming and gracing this event. Now, I move on to the co-powered by sponsors. So this is co-powered by our very own Prize brand, which started here and now serves nearly 200 plus communities across Hyderabad, and they are serving 75,000 plus customers and supporting 3,000 plus entrepreneurs and local businesses. So quick round of applause for Prize, and on behalf of Prize, I'd like to invite Kuchpudi Babu Rajendra Prasad Garu onto the stage, and he's the fatherly figure for the brand and he's a big supporter of the game. Sir, please grace the stage. So quick check. So while we do not have any representative from our next co-power sponsor, it is from our very beloved Sudhir Reddy Garu. Can we have a quick cheer for Sudhir Garu? Sudhir, we are missing you. All right. So we are calling, when we say Creekside Farm Resort, we are calling a name that knows how to blend vibes and vibes with where luxury meets nature and peace meets just the right pinch of adventure. So make some noise for our co-powered sponsor, Creekside Farm Resort, please. So what this is, imagine kayaking along a peaceful creek or just chilling by the water, letting nature do its magic. Whether you're looking for a heart-pumping adventure or chillest weekend getaway, Creekside Farm Resort is your go-to escape for the hustle. So we are missing Sudhir Garu or his representatives. So we will move on to the next our next sponsors. And this is a place where we have world-class facilities meeting next-gen energy. So I'd like to call upon Prabhas Garu and Kirtan Garu onto the stage from Game Point, Bandlaguda Jacket. So we are talking about badminton smashes that echo through the air, basketball dunks that will shake the court, checkmates in the chess that leave you that will leave your brain doing somersaults. From cricket to football, lawn tennis to table tennis, swimming laps to skating ramps, Game Point is the spot to train and play and slay. Welcome, thank you very much for being part of this ceremony here. So now I'd like each one of you to just share about the game, about your experience and your support. So we'll start with PCOA. So Ankur, can I quickly invite you to share a few words for the spirit of the game? Thank you, Ankur.
Thank you everyone. And I think for me the pebble is has always been a synonymous of sports. That's the best thing we have in this community. And I would like to thank not only the audience, but first of all, I would like to thank the organizing committee of badminton tournament, please. That's the most thankless people who are never getting any cheer, but PCU is giving permission, sponsors are giving money, but the person who is putting the brain and all the effort to create this tournament, I think the organizing committee deserves a very big round of applause. We are truly special and we are so privileged to live in Pebble City just because of the organizing committees like we have badminton. We have Raghu from the volleyball tournament. We have cricket tournaments which are running, Big Nation and all. They do great job in organizing those tournaments. And very soon we'll be starting even with the swimming and other tournaments as well. I have spoken to Deepak, who's the coach for the table tennis tournament. So what we want is that our community should excel in sports. And sports is the future for the kids, for our future generation, and that is what we have been working on. And we are very proud to say that we have produced more than 10 national players from Pebble City because of our tournaments. I don't have the statistics for the badminton, but definitely for tennis and for volleyball and throw ball. And even in the upcoming nationals, we have 5 women players who are going to represent from Pebble. And they got this exposure first time because of the Pebble games only. This is the power of games, and this is the power of community. A lot of discipline, a lot of positivity, and a lot of active lifestyle what we adopt in Pebble City. And I'm truly thankful to all the organizing committees on behalf of PCOA. And thank you for all your support to all the residents. And I encourage you all to participate in more and more number of tournaments so that we really make ourselves proud and we really take it to a next level. And we are already here talked about community. A lot of people come here just because of sports. They have started living here as tenants just because of the sports activities we have. They have the Hyderabad's best runners group here. We have one of the very strong cricket team here. They are marathon runners. They have done triathlons and the most toughest marathons. Even I am talking now, few of our runners have gone to Pune to do the rain run in Pune. So that is the level of activities we have here, and I'm truly proud and honored to be here as a Pebble General Secretary, as a PCO General Secretary, and also among you as a resident. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the inspiring message, Ankurji. Completely with you. I think our community is a lot about health and wealth. So definitely, Rohit, any thoughts from your side quickly? Because you keep supporting us, we keep getting back to you for so many requests. Yeah.
So I think Ankur has told most of the things, but I want to say thanks to one guy. I think we are forgetting. The guy you might have seen every time in our badminton court, Ritu Mani. So I think he also need a big round. Please, Ritu Mani, where is Ritu Mani? I think again he is on his duty. So I think he deserves yes. Oh, okay, really. Thank you so much. Thank you, Naveen and Chavan for organizing this. Thank you.
It's all of us. I wanted to keep the best for the last, so all our organizing committee will come at the last. But yeah.
Hello everyone, good evening. We at Lion Green are all really very thankful to all the members
For giving us a chance to be here and speak about what we are doing at Planet Green. So I'll keep it very short and good for you guys. It's the evening, it's a very good mood. I don't want to give long speeches. So we at Planet Green are focused or committed towards creating ecosystems rather than just doing any or normal real estate. So we cover everything from the food that we eat to the air that we breathe. So we are only doing a part in your life. That is all. That is reconnecting you back to your roots. That's all. Apart from that, everything else, you could have always taken a look at the AV. Once again, I am just going to be thanking all of you guys for being here. Looking forward to having some real good time and real good games with all of you. Thank you so much.
That was really quick. Thank you so much, Abhinav-ji. And now I'd like to call Kunal.
Delightful dining, elegantly crafted event areas, and perfect space for relaxation and high energy fitness. A perfect combination of nature's pristine beauty with unbeatable locational advantage. Dates County is not just a valuable investment, but a lifestyle of happiness and well-being.
Good evening everyone. So I am representing Veda Bharat here. So we are into 284 plus seed banking and 14 varieties of desi variety of rice. So there is a variety called Navara. So that is very good for diabetes patients. So it controls the sugar levels. There is another variety called Black Burma rice, which is also called as the forbidden rice. So it was only meant for the kings, not for the normal people. So we have got the seeds and we are cultivating it, which has the high antioxidants. And like that we have another pure varieties, which has anti-cancer properties and very low glycemic index values. So it controls the sugar levels overall. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Kunalji and Abhinavji, for that. Now we will move on to our next co-powered sponsor. So we have Babu Rajendra Garu representing Price brand, and I would like him to just share words of encouragement for our residents and players. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, everybody. God bless you, all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Previously, I worked in Ramoji University as a senior executive. And before that, I worked as general manager in Saudi Sugar also. Before that, I worked as a co-activist in Asana. First back retired from Ramoji University. I am very glad all India finding it here because all language people are here. We are just like brothers and sisters, good families, and our office staff and president and his members also, we are just like family members. I am proud of to stay here. All the best. Thank you. You know, Naveen is my elder son. He has got some urgent work in his absence I am attending. Second son, Mr. Praveen Kayar, is famous filmmaker. Present is doing Ayar Veramallu. Previously got national award also. And third son, Mr. K.B.R. Savin, Dr. K.B.R. Savin. I need not to say more about him. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It's been a pleasure always. So Savin has always been stealing all the cups. So this time around we wanted to give a little bit of rotation to that. But yeah, you have incredible sons, sir. We are all proud equally of both Naveen Garu and Savin. Thank you. Now we will move on to our next sponsor, and I would like to call upon our beloved badminton coach Prabhas Garu. And while I do that, we would like to quickly play some intro video for it. So Kirtan Garu is the manager for the facility in Bandlaguda. So kindly request Kirtan Garu to say a few words.
Good evening, everyone. It's an absolute pleasure and honor to be the secretary. And as well as on behalf of
Samosa boy.
thank all the publicity association members for arranging such a vibrant and community event. And I would like to take this initiative and share a few things about our community. So today, 8 Point operates over 12 centers across Hyderabad and the center across Warangal. we are a social publicity community and basically what we think more about the Bandlagoda Center. So it features 6 international standard badminton courts with WF certified synthetic flooring.
Thank you. This is Prabhas. I'll give you quick brief about our badminton coaching program. So we trained about over 10,000 plus participants across all our sports like basketball, swimming, tennis, and a lot of other sports. And especially coming to badminton, we trained more than 4,000 plus students. And I was very thrilled to say this, like in our Game Point Center, Bandlagoda itself, we training 130 plus students till now, and we assure a set of parts to structure behind the sport. Regular assessments will be taking care, and tournament exposure for players also will be monitoring. And we also provide the parents coaches meeting, which involves the parents and parents to know and engage about all the badminton curriculum which we are following. And we also do the skill building workshops and adult workshops.
Next, I'd like to call upon Surya. Surya, are you here? Okay, Surya is busy doing something. Like always, he's always our pillar. Please come on here. So that is Amit. Then I'd like to call upon Girish. Next is Kambe Gowda. Kshitij. I'd like all of you to stay near the Amit. Sharza Garu, Sarvana, Sradin, Sudhir Reddy is missing, Suresh, Vamsi, Vasu is missing, Kishore is here. And finally, my name is Dheeraj. I'm very happy to present this entire ceremony on behalf of the organizing team. Sarvana, I called him. Sarvana Surya, please. Okay, guys. Yeah, I am also Dheeraj. I am part of the team. We are all the same uniform code. It's a pleasure to present this, and we are looking forward to a fantastic tournament. We are so happy to see the kids, ladies, and gents coming over, playing, competing very fiercely. And just to promote the whole diversity thing, we have the first match after this ceremony is going to be benefit match with the sponsors. After that, it will be ladies match. So once for the baddies, your prize for the baddies. Hip hip baddies! Hip hip baddies! Hip hip baddies! Okay, thank you very much, guys. So thank you very much for gracing our stage, and thank you very much for the arrangements and all the audience. Big clap for the audience, please. So please, now we are moving on to the court where we have benefit match between PCOA and sponsors. Okay, and we will also please enjoy your snacks. Yeah, thank you so much.